So I'll be just talking about what I did and what is ahead there in this day. And as usual, I woke up around 5:15 a.m. I went to gym at around 5:45, 6 a.m. and I had a leg day, which is always Friday, only once per week. Leg day is like, it's enough bravery to do leg day at least once, I guess. I what I think, because leg days are not very fun for me. And okay, so it is 9 a.m. Now I'll be studying for around an hour, which was originally supposed to be a 2 hour session from 8 to 10, but now it is only going to be an hour session, after which I'll be going to college for around 3 hours from 10 to 1, and then I'll be heading back home.